I'm Shivalika Mishra. I'm a law graduate. I've graduated in 2020 only. I'm from Vivekanand Institute of Professional Studies, affiliated to Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University. In my 5-year college, I have done several internships. I have interned at Luthra and Luthra. I have interned at Supreme Court Advocate Munish Panda, and several other internships. I have keen interest towards commercial litigation, taxation, general corporate, and contracts. Therefore, I have pursued this diploma course because I have keen interest in contracts. Right now, I'm interning at Bharat Legal Tech, and Law Seco gave me this opportunity to intern there. It is a firm based in Mumbai, which deals with general corporate and civil and criminal litigation. When I used to read the documents, the contracts, the agreements, or legal drafting also, like writ petitions and all, I used to face difficulties understanding the concepts, reading the concepts, and even in affidavits also, I'm not aware why are these used, what is the purpose of using these. And after pursuing this course, I've completed only 1 month in this course, but now the concepts are very clear. I know what are recitals, I know what are parties, I know what are boilerplate clauses, how to draft boilerplate clauses in 1 month period only. Now I can draft each and every clauses without even seeing it. No, I help them, I help other interns to I tell them what all things boilerplate clauses contains and what are there in boilerplate clauses, and they are very happy with me. Even the sir, Sandeep sir, is very happy with my responses which I gave. I applied. Law Seco gave ample of opportunities through their WhatsApp groups. They give at least 20-30 internship opportunities and job opportunities through their WhatsApp groups. And therefore, they have posted this internship opportunity, and I have applied through Law Seco only. Then I got a call from Law Seco stating that we are forwarding your CV for the same, and are you ready to work for them? I said yes, and then I got a call next day only from sir that your internship is confirmed and you can intern from tomorrow. And sir also tells me that it is the most brilliant, is the most wonderful platform to work on. They give ample of knowledge for you to learn, and you gave your 100% to this course, then you can win half of the race of law. I'm not from a law school, National Law University, therefore I always feel that I'm not really competitive, like I'm less competitive, I don't have the skills, and that's why I adopt this course to upskill myself. And now there is a confidence in me that I see myself at a good position in the corporate world after pandemic, or maybe during this period only. There is a, I can do this, I can draft an agreement, I can help my seniors to draft an agreement, and the Law Seco also gave you to write the articles also. This gives me how to research, how to write an articles. They help in CV building also. They give ample of things to learn during the 1 year process. During their 1 year duration, we can learn many things from them. Course helped me a lot. I've learned in a period of 1 year also, 1 month only, I've learned lot of things from this course. They give mentorship calls, they guide you, they assist you, they tell you how to build your CV, they tell you there are live sessions, they help you in live sessions also. The coordinators, the teams are great in LawSeco. They give various opportunities. I highly recommend this to my friend, and two of my friends also joined the LawSeco diploma course, one in IPR and second in contract drafting also. I recommend this to each and every student who are in first year of law schools or who are in second year or any year of law school to pursue this course. They will gain the knowledge which they will not get in 5 years of college.